Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method for how to get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing, including how to find products to promote, where to put your affiliate links, and how to create pins that will get viewers to click and buy from your affiliate links. I'm currently using this method for Pinterest affiliate marketing, so if you want to hear updates on my affiliate marketing journey, plus lots of other videos showing you the best ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new videos. Pinterest affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money affiliate marketing right now, because with over 465 million active users every month, Pinterest is a powerful and popular search engine where people are actively looking for ideas, solutions, and products to buy. You can take advantage of all that free traffic by sharing valuable content and linking to products you believe in, earning commissions every time someone clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase. By just creating a few strategic pins each day and being consistent over time, you can watch your pins continue to bring in traffic and sales for months to come. Because when you post a pin on Pinterest, it continues to be shown to more and more people the longer it is on the platform, meaning that this can become a passive income stream that grows with time. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. With just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to dive into Pinterest affiliate marketing and start earning. Let's walk through the exact process of how to set up your affiliate marketing business on Pinterest. The first thing you'll need to do to get started is to create a Pinterest business account. To do this, simply go to pinterest.com and in the top right-hand corner, click Sign Up. Then on the pop-up, click at the bottom where it says Create a Free Business Account. Enter your email, a password, and your birthday and click Create Account. Once you've created your business account, you will then have access to the Pinterest Business Hub, where you can create pins, see your analytics, and get insights into what is trending on Pinterest and learn about Pinterest users and what they're interested in. The next thing you'll need to do to get started is to get affiliate links that you can promote. To do this, you'll first need to decide what niche you will focus on in your affiliate marketing business. Some of the best niches to go into, which have the ability to make the most money, are health and wellness, fitness, pets, travel, home decor, food, beauty, technology, and finance. Make sure to choose something you're interested in and won't get bored of, since you will have to be consistent in posting content long-term in order to make Pinterest affiliate marketing work. Once you've chosen your niche, then you want to join affiliate networks to find products you can promote in your niche. Some of the best affiliate networks are Impact, PartnerStack, Digistore24, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and CJ Affiliate. I personally am using Impact and PartnerStack, but feel free to join as many affiliate networks as you like and explore what kinds of products are selling well in your niche. Once you've joined an affiliate network, you will then need to apply to be an affiliate with the products you want to promote. Many of the programs will accept you automatically and you'll be able to start promoting their product right away. And some of them you may have to wait a few days to get approved to start promoting. Now the question is, how are you going to get your affiliate links out there and start driving traffic to them from Pinterest? Well, there is some debate on whether you can use affiliate links directly in your Pinterest pins, but most experienced affiliate marketers recommend that you do not put your affiliate links directly in your pins, because Pinterest can see these as spam and can flag your content and not allow users to click to your links. So instead, what I recommend you do is to create a website with blog posts that have your affiliate links embedded in them, and then post links to your individual posts inside of your Pinterest pins. And if creating a website and blog posts sounds like too much work to you, let me reassure you that with the method I'm showing you today, you will not need to do any of this yourself. I'll show you how you can use AI to build your website for you, and how you can use a new AI tool to write all of your articles, so that all you have to do is check that it sounds good and hit post. The method of creating blog posts with your affiliate links will allow you to provide value to the people clicking on your pins and give them more reasons to want to click on and make purchases through your links. Now, I said that you would be using AI to create your website for you, so for this, I recommend that you use a website builder called Hostinger. Hostinger can create a website for you in just minutes. I will post a link in the description for you to get a Hostinger account for only $2.99 per month, with an extra 2 months free, plus a free domain name. Once you create your account, you can click on the website builder option. Here, Hostinger's AI website builder will ask you for the type of website you want to create, and here you should select blog and then put in your brand name, which, once you know your niche, you can use ChatGPT to come up with brand name ideas for you related to your niche, and then give a short description of what you will be talking about on your website. You can also put in a sentence here about what kind of colors you want your website to have if you have a preference on that, and the AI will use that information to create your website. And when you click Create a Website, Hostinger's AI will create the website for you in just minutes. Then you can make any modifications you want if you want to customize the site in any way, and you're all set to go. Alright, so you have your website and you have your affiliate links. Now it's time to create create those blog posts where we'll put your affiliate links. And I said that you would not need to do any writing yourself, so here is how you can get AI to write all of your content for you. You're going to use an AI writer called SEO Writing AI. I love SEO Writing AI because it has a built-in humanizing feature that will make it so your content is not detectable as AI, and you can also tell it exactly how long you want your article to be, and it will create the exact length that you want every time. So now I'll show you how you can use SEO writing to create blog posts and articles in just minutes. First, you'll need an account with SEO Writing AI. I'll put a link in the description of this video for you to sign up for a free account. When you click my link, you'll be able to create 5 articles for free, and then if you decide you want to get serious about making money with this method, you can sign up for a paid account, which only costs $14 per month. So once you've created your account with SEO Writing AI, to create your article, you're going to want to use the one-click blog post feature. To get started, you'll need to input a main keyword for the article. To know what keywords to use for your article, you'll want to know what keywords people are searching for on Pinterest in your niche. An easy method for this is to go to the Pinterest homepage to the search bar and just type in words related to your niche. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could type the word fitness into the search bar and watch the different keywords that start to populate underneath it. The keywords at the top are those that have the most searches related to that word. I recommend you keep track of what keywords are trending in your niche. Have a place where you write these down, such as a Google Doc. So if I were in the fitness niche, I would add to my list of keywords fitness aesthetic, fitness dress to impress, fitness quotes, fitness outfits, and fitness training. And then I can go back to SEO Writing AI and put in one of these keywords. For example, I could type in fitness outfits and then just click generate title. Sometimes SEO Writing will give you a great title, and sometimes there's room for improvement. I like this title, but if I wanted a more catchy title, I could go over to ChatGPT and type in, please give me 5 attention-grabbing titles for an article related to the keyword fitness outfits. And then from these list of catchy titles, I can choose the one I like best and go back over to SEO Writing and type it in. Now you'll just choose your settings for your article. For the article size, I like to create medium-sized articles, but you have a few options there. Choose what tone of voice you want the article to be in. I like the friendly tone. And for the AI model, you'll want to select the GPT-4o last model, as this is the most advanced AI model. For the point of view, I recommend selecting second person so it will speak directly to your readers. And then under the humanized text section, I recommend selecting the 8th and 9th grade setting. For our purposes today, I'm going to skip adding details, and I'm going to skip adding images and videos because today we'll just be copying the text of the article, so we don't need to worry about this. Now for the keywords, you can simply click NLP Keywords Generation, and SEO Writing will automatically come up with keywords for you, which it will then include in your article. Next, you can choose how you want the article to begin. I like to use either a question or a statistic or fact. Today I'll use a question. For the rest of the structure, I just leave all of these on yes, but you can play with the settings if you like. For today's purpose, we're going to skip the linking. Under Connect to Web, I find that using the basic web setting works just fine to create good articles. That's all you need for today, so now you're going to scroll to the top of the page and click Run. And then you'll see it generates your article, and within just a few minutes, we've created a humanized, full-length article that we can use for our affiliate links. At this point, you can copy the text of the article, go over to Hostinger and create a new blog post and paste the article there. Then I recommend placing CTAs or calls to action throughout the article that you will use for your affiliate links. For example, for the fitness niche, if I'm going to be marketing a fitness program from my affiliate network, I will want to create CTAs related to the program. I can easily come up with these using ChatGPT. I can type in, please give me 10 CTAs to use throughout an article about fitness outfits that will entice a reader to click over to my affiliate link to learn more about a fitness program that I am marketing. And there, ChatGPT has given me some great options. I will just copy these, paste them into my article, and then highlight them and insert my affiliate link for the fitness training program. Okay, last step. Now you'll need to create a pin to link to your article. You can create your pin easily using Canva. Just come over to Canva, type in Pinterest pin, and make sure to create a pin that is at least 1000 by 1500 pixels or a 2:3 ratio. You can even use a 9:16 ratio, which is a little taller. Then you can choose from all of these Pinterest pin templates to create your pin. Make sure to choose a big, bold font for your title and an image that is relevant to your article. Then you just need to hop into your Pinterest business account, click Create Pin, and enter a pin title and description. To rank well on Pinterest, you'll want to create a pin description that is optimized for the keywords Pinterest users are searching for. So what I recommend is going over to ChatGPT and typing in, please give me a 75-word description for an article titled, and then enter your article title, and optimize the description for these keywords, and then paste in the keywords that you found earlier using Pinterest search bar. Then paste in the description, paste in the link to your article and then post. You can also schedule your pin to post later, which is good for doing these in bulk. You want to post at least 1 to 3 pins per day and make sure to be really consistent if you want to see results with this long term. Now, if you're interested in learning another way that you can do affiliate marketing, but without having to have your own blog at all, you can watch my video about how you can do that here. And I'll see you in the next video.